In this video, you'll learn how to list and ship your product, where to get paid, and make your first e-commerce website. Many businesses fail to build their own e-commerce website because they fail to simply start or just don't know how to do it. Good thing Ecwid is here to help you get started and just spend $0 from your bank. Professional marketers say you need to spend huge amount of money in hiring web developers, coders, and agencies. Well, not on my watch. Hi everyone, so this is part 2 of the Ecwid, and what we're going to do now is going to list our products, we're going to set up payments, and we're going to ship those products into our customers to generate sales in any product that you want to offer. So if you want to list your product, the first thing that you need to do is to go over catalog at the very top, and you can see it's actually divided into a lot of categories. However, if you want to delete the sample, you could just like select this all and delete all the sample products. So we're just going to add some products if we want to another one, and click upload image, and you're going to just choose what images are going to put in that. So I already make mine, and as you can see, my product will appear. So I'm selling bread. So let's say I'm selling Minecraft bread, and just put the SKU to track your product. This would be less than 1 kilogram, and you just put the description like that. What you can do also is you can bold it, you can put some underline, slant, and a lot of hyperlinks and etc. So I'm not going to go over that, but you know the function of it, because it's just basics when it comes to editing. And of course, you don't want to forget the price that you want to offer here. And this bread might cost like 25 pesos or half a dollar, and it's already saved. Now we can go back, and you can see our product is already listed in stock. And the good thing about this website is you can put almost every product that you want or might want to offer, whether it's ebooks, digital products, or something that you want like hair growth or t-shirt or stuff like that. It's already here. The main thing that Ecwid that I like is you don't have to purchase Amazon, you don't have to subscribe in Shopify, you don't have to subscribe in anywhere, and you don't even need to hire a developer just to build an amazing website, because it's already there. It's like a template. You could manage your analytics. It's already free, and it's got 30-day, today, yesterday, and we got like 4 visitors right now. Now, if you want to ship your product internationally, they also have those readings and stuff like that. They educate you. So speaking of shipping, let's go to this section. As you can see, shipping and pickup. Now, there's a lot of options that you want to do. If you want to ship nationally, meaning international, for example, you're in the Philippines and you want to ship in Singapore, you want to ship in America, United States, or ship in this and that, well, you can do this option. But if you want local delivery just within your country, then this would be a good option. But if you want some pick up, or you want your customer to go into your store and pick up the product, and it's totally optional. Maybe you can put some address of your business when it's a physical store. So I'm just going to get international shipping, and they also have this setup or the options that's already available in that. Or you could enter the name, the carrier, or something like that. So I'm just going to set up this, and you can offer some free shipping, conditional like that. But I'm going to just go to the cheap free shipping if this is great. And now after we finish reading it, this is free shipping, and now we save and finish. So maybe this means that you're going to pay the shipping fee instead of your customers, but it will intrigue your customers to purchase your product because it's free shipping. So we already have at least one type of shipping fee. You can set it up at your own pace. We want to get paid in our products after a sale or customer buying a product. So we are going to proceed. There's a lot of payment options already available: Visa, MasterCard, etc., and also same as PayPal and something like that. And if they ever pay in a credit card or debit card or ATM card, it's either one of these 3 or more that you want to get paid in the form of. But if you want to enable your PayPal and you already have PayPal, which is advisable for businesses or workers or employees, then that is the right option for you, and it's highly recommendable. And it's already connected based on the Google account that I've connected this account in Ecwid. I've just used this Google account to sign in Ecwid. They already connected my PayPal, so it's very convenient, just one click. So the website, as we discussed in part one, we discussed about branding and how to utilize this the designs, and you could also put some domains. You can also pick a platform that you want to integrate. Now in the overview section, let's just take a look and what. Oh, okay, so the overview section is about integrating this Ecwid app. Website into multiple platforms, and like Amazon is very great, like TikTok, Google Shopping. Actually, it's very good. Social media, if you want to sell on Facebook Messenger or something like that, it's very convenient. If you want to connect it into different mobile apps, and a whole lot more options. So it's totally convenient if you want to integrate those social media platforms and e-commerce websites, etc. You just go to overview and just learn more about it. Okay, finally, the dashboard. So I'm just going to explain this a little bit so you can start up your business. So the visitors is the number of someone who clicks your website. It's going to click as views in terms of YouTube, but they call it like visitors because they visit your website. Now, the product reviews is when they click the product and just like read the description or something like that, and they just scroll the option. I think that would count as product views. The order received is your order received is the orders received totally by your customers and the revenue it has generated. For example, you have like 10 orders from your customers from different countries, and each one costs like 50 pesos times 10 is going to be 500. Then include, maybe it's going to exclude the shipping fee, something like that. So this is visitors with product views. They're going to show that. So this is visitors with product views. The added someone who added to cart but didn't place an order. So this is a place an order, and those who started some checkouts and something like that. So what my side comments are genuinely about this Ecwid platform. It's very easy and convenient for those entrepreneurs who can't afford about subscribing and hosting some website and buying some domains and hiring a web developers and something like that, who want to design thing like that. But this video is mainly for those entrepreneurs who wants to know the basics and really get started in selling their products. And my advice here is, if you want to sell your products, you must develop some marketing strategies like social media marketing, influencer marketing. There's a lot of options that you can do, and you don't have to be obsessed with it. You don't have to go to a marketing degree in order to just make some businesses and stuff like that. You could read a little bit of these books, but it's not going to immediately help you. My advice is you're just going to consume content like an e-course or YouTube videos, because in today's digital world, almost everything is free. So appreciate those. If you're living with your mom, I believe that you are very lucky because you don't have to pay mortgage, you don't have to pay rent or the food that you're going to eat, because that's an advantage. And as young as you are, I don't care if you're 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and below, start gaining experience from building your business. And I hope you get the success from there. Thank you.